Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to tell you the story of a boy who was not born famous. He was not born rich. He was not born successful. In fact, many people thought he would never become a star. But through hard work, courage, and determination, he became one of the most famous actors in the world. His name is Jackie Chan. Today, millions of people know him for his action movies, incredible stunts, and unique sense of humor. But before the fame and success, Jackie Chan faced many challenges. His journey is a story of perseverance and never giving up. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through stories, please subscribe to Everstory English. Your support helps us create more stories for your English learning journey. Jackie Chan was born on April 7, 1954. He was born in Hong Kong. His birth name was Chan Kong Sang. His parents were not wealthy. They worked hard to support their family. As a young child, Jackie was full of energy. He loved running, jumping, and climbing. He found it difficult to sit still. His parents worried about his future. When Jackie was 7 years old, they made an important decision. They enrolled him in a special school called the China Drama Academy. This was not an ordinary school. Students studied martial arts, acrobatics, singing, acting, and discipline. Training was extremely difficult. Children practiced for many hours every day. Sometimes they trained from early morning until late at night. The teachers were very strict. Mistakes were not easily forgiven. At times, Jackie felt exhausted. At times, he missed his family. But he continued training, day after day and year after year. Through this training, Jackie became stronger. He became more flexible. He learned how to perform dangerous movements. Most importantly, he learned discipline. For nearly 10 years, Jackie lived and trained at the academy. The experience was difficult, but it prepared him for the future. When Jackie finished school, he wanted to become an actor. At first, success did not come easily. He worked as a stunt performer in movies. A stunt performer is someone who performs dangerous action scenes. The work was risky. Jackie often jumped from buildings. He fell from heights. He participated in fight scenes. Sometimes he was injured. But he continued working. His skills impressed many filmmakers. Eventually, Jackie began receiving larger roles. During the 1970s, movie producers were looking for a new martial arts star. At the time, Bruce Lee was one of the biggest stars in the world. After Bruce Lee's passing, many studios wanted to find someone similar. Some people believed Jackie Chan could become the next Bruce Lee. But there was a problem. Jackie did not want to copy anyone. He wanted to be different. Instead of creating a serious image, Jackie developed his own style. He combined martial arts with comedy. He made audiences laugh. He made audiences smile. And he performed many of his own stunts. This combination was unique. People had never seen anything quite like it. Slowly, Jackie began building a loyal audience. One of his breakthrough films was Snake in the Eagle's Shadow. Soon after, another movie called Drunken Master became a huge success. Audiences loved his energy, they loved his humor, and they loved his incredible fighting skills. Jackie Chan was finally becoming a star. As his career grew, Jackie continued pushing himself. He wanted every action scene to look real. Because of this, he often performed dangerous stunts himself. This decision led to many injuries. Over the years, Jackie broke bones. He injured his hands. He injured his legs. He injured his shoulders. He suffered countless accidents. One of the most serious accidents happened while filming a movie called Armor of God. Jackie fell from a tree and hit his head on a rock. The injury was life-threatening. Doctors worked hard to save him. Many people wondered if he would ever perform again. But Jackie recovered, and once again he returned to work. His determination amazed people around the world. By the 1990s, Jackie Chan had become one of Asia's biggest movie stars. However, he had another dream. He wanted success in Hollywood. Breaking into Hollywood was not easy. Language barriers made communication difficult. American audiences were not yet familiar with his style. Several early attempts were unsuccessful, but Jackie refused to quit. He continued trying, he continued improving, and eventually, his opportunity arrived. In 1998, Jackie starred in a movie called Rush Hour. The film was a huge success. Audiences loved the chemistry between Jackie Chan and his co-star. The movie became popular around the world. Suddenly, Jackie Chan was no longer just an Asian movie star. He had become an international superstar. More successful films followed. His popularity continued growing. People admired his work ethic. People admired his courage. And people admired his positive attitude. Despite his success, Jackie remained humble. He often spoke about the importance of hard work. He believed talent alone was not enough. He believed success required dedication and persistence. Today, Jackie Chan is recognized around the world. He has appeared in countless films. He has entertained millions of people. And he has inspired generations of actors and martial artists. But perhaps his greatest achievement is not fame. Perhaps it is the example he set. Jackie Chan showed that success rarely comes quickly. It takes years of effort. It takes sacrifice. And sometimes it requires overcoming failure after failure. What can we learn from Jackie Chan? First, we learn the value of discipline. The difficult training he experienced as a child helped prepare him for success. Second, we learn the importance of perseverance. Jackie faced rejection, injuries, and setbacks. But he never stopped moving forward. Finally, we learn that being yourself matters. Many people wanted Jackie Chan to become the next Bruce Lee. Instead, Jackie created his own style. And that decision changed his life. Today, as we learn English together, we can remember Jackie Chan's example. Learning English is not always easy. There will be mistakes. There will be challenges. But every lesson helps us improve. Every new word makes us stronger. And every step brings us closer to our goals. Thank you for listening to this story today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Jackie Chan. I hope his journey inspired you. And I hope this story helped you improve your English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring stories on Everstory English. Until next time, my friends, keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing.